What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be showing you how to create a video of TikTok on your PC. For that the process is very simple. Make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So for that all you have to do is to have a screen recorder in your PC that could be of any company. So I'll recommend you guys using the OBS Studio or Streamlabs. So if you're using Streamlabs, you can set the settings, go to the settings and make sure that you go to the output. In the output, go to the recording and you can save these settings in order to get the best bit rates and best quality. So once you have created a video, so then you might need to edit that video in order to get the best result. So in order to edit the video, all you have to do is to go to the CapCut and edit the video according to the aspect ratio you want to upload the video in. For example, you can go to the ratio over here and change the ratio according to your need. For example, you can change that ratio to 9:16 and you can rotate your screen recording and fit that screen recording according to your size. So that's how you can create content for the TikTok using your PC. I hope you find this video helpful. If it does, please consider subscribing to my channel.